To solve this problem correctly, we need to follow the order of operation PEMDAS. Therefore, according to PEMDAS, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Okay. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. The same applies to addition and subtraction. Therefore, in this expression, there is one division here, one addition, one multiplication, and one subtraction. Therefore, according to PEMDAS, this division has higher priority. Okay. Therefore, 20 divided by 4, which equals 5. Then 5 plus 6 times 2 minus 3. Then here is also this multiplication has higher priority according to PEMDAS, because this multiplication comes this addition and this subtraction. Okay. According to PEMDAS, multiplication comes before addition and subtraction. Therefore, we have to multiply this number first. 6 times 2, which equals 12. Then 5 plus 12 minus 3. Minus 3, okay? Then remember that addition and subtraction has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. Therefore, we have to add this number first. 5 plus 12, which equals to 17. Then minus 3. 17 minus 3 is just 14. Okay. Therefore, the correct answer of this problem equals to 14. To get more videos, please subscribe my channel.